We're standing in the middle of an amazing installation for one of our private residential clients. This is the very first domestic commission that Jennifer Angus has ever done. Jennifer Angus is an artist out of Wisconsin, and she primarily specializes in working with taxidermied insects. This particular client has what I would call a very eclectic and somewhat humorous ability. We live in a time that's particularly interesting in terms of the blurring of lines between art and science. There are quite a few really interesting and prominent artists that are looking at the merging of art and science, and she's done just that. She just takes it to a different level in terms of wanting to first engage you with the pattern of what you're seeing, and then as you get closer and you're drawn in and you see that it's taxidermied insects, there's both sort of a beauty but also kind of a slight hesitation, and she loves the interplay of those two emotions. What Jennifer has created is really essentially almost a Victorian type of room. She's fascinated by the Victorian era and what was going on at that time, the exploration, the interest in insects and other animals, and even the anthropomorphizing of those insects at the time. It was a time when photography was first being developed. It was a time when the cabinet of curiosities came into being, and there was a lot of science and exploration. And she took the science and the interest of that time and brought these insects into an environment and created patterns which are evocative of a typical Victorian room.